Hello, hello, welcome to Programming Academic channel, please, guys. Today I want to show you something amazing. So, how to guys write blog in 10 minutes, 100 of a blog post. So, like this one, it's a free platform. It will write for you in minute blog post. So, why you are not using this one and making hundreds of thousands of dollars? So you will make a lot of money with this platform. You will write many kind of blog posts in different way. Every minute you can write a blog post in very simple. Let's go to show you in very quick. I don't want to waste your time or. So let's go to check out. Guys, look, this is the chat GPT. It will write for you a blog post in minute. So guys, this just I write how to make a business in 2 weeks. So already ChatGPT write these articles in just a minute. So why are you not do it like using this platform to make money? It's a free platform. It's easy to use. In minute, any kind of question, just to write, it will write for you. In 90% or 95%, it will write for you exactly what you are looking for. So why you are not getting start to using? So these ideas, it's a very good idea for the young people's guide. I watch you are going to use like this platform ChatGPT than to making your business decisions. Okay, let's go to write very simple question. Another, okay, how make to make money in 10 days. I'll go to down here. Yeah, see how, wow, grocery shopping, etc. Upwork. You see? So this is a chat GPT. It write for you a blog post or any kind of articles in your business. So you don't need to anyone write for you. You are going to make this kind of things in very simple way. And thank you. I think this is a good idea, guys, for you. See you in my next tutorial. There is another good ideas for AI, artificial intelligence. I want to share with you. Thank you. Bye for now.